Alright, I'll show you how to use these crypto intraday suggestions on my page Trade Wizard. Okay, so you check the levels. So you might want to take note of the level. So the suggestion for Bitcoin is to go long. So let's put maybe we find a horizontal line. That's the okay. Put this horizontal line. So coordinate. So we just paste the coordinate. I think we just edit the coordinates. Can we get it from here? 3340215. I'm not sure we can paste it. 302 33402. Okay, there we are. So for intraday setup, this is the level. Okay, you can see it bounces the price around here quite a lot. So it's a significant level. So for today, it is advised to buy above this level. So at this current situation, you can wait for a little bit discount. You can use whatever strategy that you may have. For example, you can go to low time frame. Okay, you can use the fib retrace to gauge retracement. This is the level it hits a couple of times. Okay, so you might want to wait around here before buying. Okay, that's one of the strategy that you can deduce from this suggestion. Okay, so what if it goes below this zone? So something like this. Okay, so if it goes below, so it's gonna bounce a bit. Maybe we expect it to bounce. You can wait it to bounce at this area. So if that happens, sell it. Okay, and take some profits. You might try to break again, who knows, depends on your strategy. So that's how you use this Crypto Intraday Wizard website that I coded. Hope that helps. Happy trading. This is intraday, for intraday use only, so be careful what you do. Hope you like it.